Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the auto brightness feature on your iPhone. So this is going to become particularly useful in case that your iPhone tends to auto adjust its brightness by itself. So what we're first going to do is hop into our settings tab. Now once you're in your settings tab, you want to find this button that says accessibility. So let's go ahead and click on accessibility. Next, what you want to click on is display and text size. Now, once you're on this page right here, you're going to see a variety of different options. So as you can see, a lot of these options are already defaulted to be toggled off. What you want to do is actually scroll down to where it says auto brightness. So as you can see, auto brightness is turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. So the reason why this is normally turned on is just because it's used to actually save your battery. But even so, what we're going to do is actually toggle this off. So now every time you actually adjust your brightness, your phone won't automatically adjust the brightness. So that is how to actually go ahead and turn off the auto brightness feature on your iPhone. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.